Have you ever taken that perfect picture but then realized there was a major problem that you didn't notice at the time? Problem is, you were on a vacation in a moving bus and you can't retake the picture. Never fear, your trusty Samsung Gallery app has you covered. So once you have the image open that you want to edit and remove the item, just go to the bottom and click on the editing icon. And you can do a couple things here. One is to remove things or just to draw things. But we're just going to click on it and we're going to use the first option right here. So it says to either tap or draw around the object you want to replace. In this case, it's a stop sign. As soon as I click, it starts highlighting it. Then I continue to draw down until I've gotten it identified. You can continue to click and play around with it until it looks like it identifies the entire object you want. It doesn't have to be perfect. So now that I have it, and I can say edit, and you'll see it draws a little box around the area I want. Now I can accidentally click whatever in other areas and all that. However, the main thing is that when you click back on that object, you'll see the box has been identified as the item that you want deleted. So once you do that, you say generate. And there it goes, starts working its magic. And guess what? In a few seconds, whatever you want removed should be done. And there we go. And once it's done, it gives you the option of saving the copy. So you click on this, it'll copy that image to your phone, and then you can go look at it down here, and you'll see that we have a beautiful picture of the original image that I wanted when I took the picture from the bus. Well, let's say that you have multiple objects you want to remove. You've gone ahead and you highlighted the item that you want to remove, and you make sure that's all done. And you either accidentally or on purpose click other areas. Well, if you click over somewhere else and it tries to highlight that, you can just click on that area to remove it. Then you can just highlight some more, let's say. And again, if you make a mistake, you can click on individual areas that it highlights to get rid of those until you're down to exactly what you want to do. Now, here I've resized the image so we can see these other items, these cars that are there. So I can click on those as well and make sure that I get every one of the ones I want. I click on this other one and just be cautious, and you just click on that so it'll highlight it. Good enough. And now it's time to generate your new copy. So here we go. We go down here, we have everything highlighted, and we simply click on generate. And it'll identify all the individual areas that need to be removed. And so it'll examine that, generate the necessary pixels to replace them, and you'll see that both the cars that were here and the stop sign are all done, and you have a clean picture. So again, as we just say save copy, now we have a copy on our phone of the items. And if we look at those in a full image, you'll see there's the original, and here's the one that's generated. Now, of course, you can just simply resize this and crop it later on if you want. So if you're going to get rid of the road, you don't have to worry about the cars, but at least the stop sign's gone from your main area, showing off your great picture-taking skills. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and ring the notification bell to get notified of new releases. Additionally, you can find me on Facebook, X, and on my website. The links are in the description of this video.